Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Music and Arts, Grade 5, Quarter 4, Lesson 1. Our topic for today is about exploring music and arts as influenced by Middle Spanish colonial period, 1600s to 1800s. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competency. Distinguish relevant concepts, processes, and practices applied in the different performing and visual arts during the 17th to 18th century in their locality, province, or region. Learning objectives. 1. Identify relevant performing and visual arts in their locality, province, or region during the 17th to 18th century. 2. Describe the performing and visual arts during the 17th to 18th century in the locality or province or region in terms of relevant concepts, processes, and practices. 3. Explain how relevant concepts, processes, and practices are applied in relevant performing and visual arts in their locality, province, or region. Week 1, Day 1. Short review. Activity 1, Throwback Video. Watch the video about Spanish-influenced art forms in the Philippines and enumerate all the art forms they noticed from the video. Spanish influences. How Spain shaped Filipino culture. Activity 2, Charades. In group of 5, you will have a charade game. The teacher will give each group 1 minute to do the charades. Mechanics. Each group will have 1 representative. Each group will be given 1 minute to guess the word their representative picked. Note, 1 word per team only. Time-based. The group with the shortest time to guess the word will be the winner. Activity 2, Charades. Charade words. Laughter, lady, house, santo or saint, church. Before we deep right into our topic, let's first have these following words that we will encounter throughout our lessons. Vocabulary words and their definition. 17th to 18th century. Colonization date from 1600s to 1800s. Patriotism, the feeling of love, loyalty, and connection to one's nation. Altar pieces, religiously themed paintings, sculptures, or reliefs are called altar pieces. The main altar, which resembles a table in the middle of a Christian church, is either directly behind or above them. Liturgical refers to anything having to do with a religion's open rites and rituals, especially those of Christianity. Zarzuela, lyric, dramatic, theatrical play during the Spanish period in the Philippines. Can you give examples of visual arts? How about performing arts? In which art forms are you involved or do you enjoy? Answer. Examples of visual arts are drawing, painting, and sculpture. Examples of performing arts are dancing, singing, and acting. I enjoy drawing and dancing. Can you tell me what is visual arts? How can you say an art form is a visual art? How about performing arts? Answer. Visual arts are art forms you can see, like paintings or sculptures. Performing arts are art forms you watch live, like dance, music, or theater. Did you know that every art form has its meaning and use? Answer: yes, every art form has a meaning and a purpose. It can show feelings, tell stories, or share culture. Your teacher will play a video of Polka Sanayon and you will answer the following questions. Polka Sanayon. Guide questions. 1. Is the music used in the dance fast or slow? Answer: the music is fast. 2. What can you say about the movements of the dancers? Gentle or intense? Answer: the movements of the dancers are gentle and lively. 3. What expressions did you notice to the dancers while dancing polka sanayon? Answer: the dancers look happy and smiling. 4. Please list down the designs you see in their costumes. What color did you see in the fabric used in their costumes? Answer: the costumes have floral and striped designs. The colors I saw are red, white, yellow, and blue. First column, performing arts. Second column, relevant concepts. Third column, processes. Fourth column, practices. Dance. Through dance movements that people can communicate, for it has been a strong factor in the expression of one's soul and identity of character. Played an important part in the social activity of the people. Dance in social gatherings passed from one generation to another. Thanksgiving for a plentiful harvest, a victorious battle, a prosperous voyage, or recovery from sickness. Next is theater. Plays that reflect our culture better, written and staged to speak truth to power. Incorporates popular song and dance along with its spoken dialogue, passed from one generation to another. Outside environment, performances tailored to certain occasions. The third one is music. Music played and sung during religious gathering, commemorating the activities in the Bible. Sung during religious gatherings, passed from one generation to another generation. Religious rituals, traditions among people of a certain place. Next, we have visual arts, painting, sculpture, and architecture. Art was used as a tool to publicize. Catholicism to the Filipino population. Concept of patronage. Art spread throughout the country, passed from one generation to another. Painting was exclusively for the churches and for religious purposes, curving anitos and then saints in Catholic churches, developing traditional houses to Hispanic style. Week 1, Day 2. Activity 4, Discovery Chan. Your teacher will group the class into 4. Each group will be assigned one creative art and let the group observe each art forms using guide questions to be presented in front of the class. Group 1, Zarzuela. Group 2, the Jota. Group 3, Harana. Group 4, Kalye Crisologo. Guide questions. 1. Observe the movement in the art form. How does it make you feel? 2. List the emotion you observe from the arts, not how you feel. Example, do you see war, love, joy, or sorrow? 3. Notice their costumes or attire. Enumerate the design they used. 4. What kind of music can you hear or imagine from the arts? Is it fast beat, solemn, relaxing, or raging? Learners' takeaways. Group 1, what new information have you discovered today? I learned that Filipino art forms show our culture, history, and feelings. Group 2, how do you feel learning this new thing? Answer, I feel happy and interested because it is fun to learn. Group 3, how do you intend to spread this acquired knowledge? Answer, I will share it with my classmates and family and show it through art or performance. Group 4, what would you like to know after this lesson? Answer, I want to learn more Filipino dances, songs, and artworks. My heritage and my culture and where I'm from mean the most to me more than anything. By Patty Mills. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!